So in this way, this is the formula that we have to use to differentiate this function. Now how to apply, let me show you. Hi everyone, welcome to daily practice. In this video I will explain you solution of the question that you can see on your screen. So I urge you to watch this video till end so that you will get complete understanding of each and every step involved in this solution. So if you are new to this channel, do subscribe it and share it with your friends. If you face any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or DM it to me on my Instagram handle. So without any further delay, let's start solving this question. Solution. First, I will read the question and understand what we have to find out. Differentiate with respect to x. So we have to differentiate with respect to x. What? This cosec inverse of e raised to minus x. So this is a standard inverse trigonometric composite function. So we have to differentiate this standard inverse trigonometric composite function. How to do that? Let me show you. This is cosec inverse of e raised to minus x. So there is a formula, as this is a composite function. Here you can see that this is a inverse trigonometric function and this is a exponential function. So there is a standard formula for this. What is that formula? I will write it and show you. Cosec inverse of f of x is equal to minus f dash of x divided by f of x under root of f of x bracket square minus 1. So in this way, this is the formula that we have to use to differentiate this function. Now how to apply, let me show you. Now we have the f of x is e raised to minus x. Therefore, its derivative with respect to x will be e raised to minus x multiplied by derivative of minus x, that is minus 1, which is equal to minus e raised to minus x. Put this values in above formula. Then what I will get? Derivative of cosec inverse of e raised to minus x is equal to minus f dash of x. So minus f dash of x is minus e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus x divided by f of x. F of x is e raised to minus x under root of f of x bracket square. So f of x is e raised to minus x bracket square minus 1. Now I will simplify this. Minus into minus will become plus. So e raised to minus x divided by this e raised to x minus x as it is. And here I will use laws of indices, and what I will get? Minus x multiplied by 2 will give me minus 2x minus 1. Therefore, derivative of cosec inverse of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x divided by e raised to minus x into under root of e raised to minus 2x minus 1. This is the final answer. In this way, we use the standard formula for finding the derivative of standard inverse trigonometric composite function. I hope you have understood each and every step that I have used to solve this question. If that is the case, then give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you face any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or DM it to my Instagram handle. Can you use theorem of derivatives of inverse function to find the derivative of this given function with respect to x? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.